Here are some resources for the Young Hoosier Book Award nominee, Ruby Finds a Worry by Tom Percival. Let's start with the resources provided by the Indiana Library Federation, which includes a book summary. One day, Ruby finds a worry. It is small and no one else can see it, so Ruby pretends she can't either. But all the while, the worry is getting bigger and follows Ruby everywhere she goes. Then one day, Ruby meets a friend who also has a worry. By talking to the boy about his worries, Ruby learns that talking about worries makes them shrink and disappear. There is a resource guide included that has the book summary, book talk, challenging words, author, illustrator bio, some additional resources, and discussion questions, along with an activity sheet. And the activity sheet invites students to draw what they think a worry would look like, and it asks students to give the worry a facial expression to match how they think the worry would behave. And it says Ruby's worry was yellow, but your worry can be whatever color you think it should be. And then it has some discussion questions or reflection questions. If you want your worry to shrink, what would you do? List 3 people you could talk to about your worry. So this Young Hoosier book really made me think about some SEL connections. And so that is my STEM connection idea. I found this activity called Why Do Chameleons Change Color? And you can find it just by Googling 10 SEL activities for grades K through 8. And this resource from Aperture Education will pop up or should pop up. And they actually have some SEL activities listed, and the first category being STEM. So I found this activity geared toward grades K through 6, and it's the Identifying Emotions, Chameleon Moods. So this is helping students learn how to identify physical signs of escalating emotions can be an effective way to teach self-regulation. In this activity, students build this important skill while they learn about chameleons and why they change color. So it really goes along with science because they're learning about chameleons. The duration is only about 30 minutes, so it gives you directions, and it, again, talks about why chameleons change colors. We talk about predators, so there's a really nice science connection to it. But it goes right along with Ruby and her worry as far as how the worry gets bigger and she has to learn how to manage that worry. And also this activity about the chameleon changing colors comes with an activity sheet. So it tells you what materials you need and how students will work through this activity to learn just how to manage their emotion. And again, it goes along with Ruby Has a Worry because it talks about her worry being yellow and the chameleon changes color. So just a nice STEM connection to the Young Hoosier book.